Yo, what's up, guys? I don't know about you guys, but I got a good feeling. I got a feeling that this is gonna be a good video. Okay. Um, there's all the tracks. All right, I'm gonna open this up. Just meet me halfway. All right. Boom, boom, pow. There's the inside. Damn, that's interesting. I did not expect that. Got tiny writing. Don't know what that says. I ain't gonna read it. It is 2 LP. I thought it was 1 LP. Guess it's 2. There's the first side. Second side. It's been a while since I posted. Sorry about that. Been a little busy, Just quit my job. I'm a little broke right now. But yeah, that's it. That's the end.